Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to log into your Deepseek account. So if you already created a Deepseek AI assistant account and I want to log into your account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to log into your Deepseek AI assistant account, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the Deepseek app to open it. Then once you click on the Deepseek app and open it, come here, type in either your email or phone number. So just go ahead and type in your Deepseek account email address. So if you used your phone number to create your Deepseek account, then you need to type in the Deepseek phone number. Then once you type it, go ahead, type in your password. This is a unique password for your Deepseek account. So go ahead and type in the password. Once you type in the password, go ahead, check. I confirm that I've read consent and agree to Deepseek policy and terms of service. Now go ahead and click on the login button. Once you hit the login button, just hang on, then you should see your Deepseek account signed in. So that's basically how to log into a Deepseek account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.